Pak Wikika Kuborsha, Honorable Chief Minister.
Tnat Shipai Assam Rifles Rakhe Racing Day lani ka Sngi Seng bashis pa prap khandai jongka ha office rekam jongka ha DGAR like gor shilong hinin ka Sngi nadu bla Seng ya ka house nem khat pras pa lai pusan kani ka Tnat Shipai kla shakri patba ya kari barok ko wei bal ka no sinyang ru ba shikat de ha ka banwan ra e ka su ka san ha ki jala ka than chate lamingi jongkari India Hangni hanong ba Shillong Lieutenant General PC Nair DG Assam Rifles but baro kikin rem kilindan jong katini ni Tnat Shipai kilali le buram haka jaka sakan mau yaki riu shlor kibal len yeladi bar kibla pha yala ka jong ka jingim hagithma ba pher haba aijing kren haka ni gasngi u DGAR ulai ro ya baro Shipai kibla no sinyang shibun e haka bani khun persha ki kamle no haka than chate lamingi bar ha Kashmir Tnat Shipai Assam Rifles kalayay beteng ban kala nakapor khnang bakan la banile persha yagi jing e ki bami man la kasngi bat ban imru kat kum ki kentien im sngi jongka kinong apahara jongka than chate lamingi
as also the sacrifices made by our great force to the nation through the decades in the past 2 centuries our contribution towards nation building has been exemplary. Our deep connect with the people of the Northeast has been quite unparalleled. Though we have delivered whenever asked for beyond the boundaries of the Northeast also, as we are currently doing in Kashmir and the United Nations. Today I pay homage to all our brave hearts who have made the supreme sacrifice for our nation and offer my profound respects to their families.